Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase. If you are watching this video, probably you already know ZimmWriter. I already made some videos about it and it's one of the favorite AI writing tool for many people. And why I'm recording this video? Well, I have some news to give you about ZimmWriter, and the most important one is that ZimmWriter will increase the price. Starting from the 1st of October 2023, if I go here on the pricing plans, as you can see, this normal plan will go up soon in price. There is no new price here, but this is the really basic version. It's not the one I recommend. The plan you really want and really need is one of these two, because you have all included: local SEO buffet, bulk blog generation, SEO blog generation, and so on. One is the monthly plan, now is priced $9.97 per month, and it will increase, as you can see here, to $14.97. Obviously, if you already have a subscription, your price will be locked with this $9.97. But the best choice you can do is this lifetime deal. This is the plan I recommend, because you only pay once and then you can use ZimmWriter with all the future updates forever. And I will talk about an interesting update that is coming soon for ZimmWriter. But as you can see, this price will jump from $197 one-time fee to $297 from October 1st, 2023. Obviously, this tool works with your OpenAI API key, so you pay the tool, you can use the tool, and then you will pay OpenAI for the content you will generate month after month. But if you are still on the fence and if you don't know if you want to purchase ZimmWriter or not, this is the moment. You still have more or less 1 month with this lifetime price, and then it will increase. And this is the first news I have for ZimmWriter, so this is your chance to purchase ZimmWriter with this absolutely good deal. Now, let's talk about some new features that are coming with ZimmWriter, but first, let me recap what happened from the last version. The last official version is 7.8, released on the 7th of August, but as you can see, from this original 7.8 version, we had many updates with some bug fixes and some little new things, as you can see here. For example, in this version, you have a fix for the mid-journey prompts, you have color coding for SEO outline, and then we have this version with an improvement for YouTube video. Now it's even better with less non-found videos. And then we have this version released on the 14th of August with improved Tease function, bug fixes for scrape all if you use it to scrape sites, and some other bug fixes. But stay tuned, because a new version of ZimmWriter is coming really soon. Oh yes, let's go on the ZimmWriter Facebook group, and as you can see, Matt Zimmerman is teasing some new features. And if you watch here, this is version 8. So version 8 is coming really soon, and I suppose this is one of the reasons for the price increase. It's still in beta, it's not been released, but I see some really interesting things. For example, this SEO CSV disabled. This is not on the actual version, so this is something new. And if you are thinking about this SEO CSV, we can see another tease here in the group, where you can see the ZimmWriter 8 update progress, general tweaks, obviously, bulk SEO. So this is something really interesting. I suppose you will be able to upload a CSV file with instruction to generate many SEO articles. At the moment, you can only generate one at a time for SEO writer, but you can generate bulk articles without SEO. You will be able to generate bulk SEO articles. There is this scraping surgeon. This is something mysterious. As you can see here, scraping surgeon is Google Scrapes, I'm guessing, and nope, it's something else, but the only thing we know is it's really awesome, as Matt is saying. And then there is a bonus. I don't really know what this is about, but this is the ZimmWriter 8 update progress. And then we have another tease here for the version 8. As you can see, it's in beta 5 now, and watch here. You will be able to connect Pexels API. So if you have an account with Pexels, you can include the API key and use Pexels images and videos, I suppose, if you want, in your articles. But I also see something else here. It's not so evident, but there is this setup WordPress, and I suppose you will be able to upload your articles directly to WordPress. Now you can do it using other tools if you want, but this setup WordPress is really suspicious to me. And again, these are just little teases for the version 8 for ZimmWriter. I don't know when it will be released. Maybe when this price will go up on the 1st of October 2023, or maybe before. Anyway, this is another good reason. Version 8 is a good reason to purchase ZimmWriter if you don't have ZimmWriter. And this is the other big good reason, the price increase from the 1st of October 2023. I recommend this lifetime deal, and if you want, I have a discount link here in my description, so you can purchase this lifetime deal with a $15 discount, even better than this price, before the price jump to $297 again on 1st of October 2023. And this is it for ZimmWriter. So if you like this tool, this is your chance to purchase it before the price increase. If you don't know how ZimmWriter works, well, you can check my other videos here on my channel. You can find the links here in the description. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can even click here if you want to watch one of my other videos about ZimmWriter. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.